2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.